When the job gets tough, you need tools that are tougher. Introducing the Wiha Tools color-coded nut setters, built for the pros who don't quit. High visibility color coding makes for quick and easy identification because time matters. A universal 1/4-inch hex drive ensures a product that's built to fit and built to last. With an industrial strength rare earth magnetic tip, your fasteners stay put even on the roughest jobs. Impact rated up to 700 inch-pounds means these nut setters perform under pressure. And precision machine tips reduce camo, giving you total control. Wiha color-coded nut setters provide 6 inches of extended reach so you can get where others can't. Radius corners protect fasteners while black oxide fights off corrosion. Cold forged from chromium molybdenum alloy steel, these nut setters are ready to work when you are. Wiha, the originator of the color-coded nut setter. Get yours now where professional tools are sold. Wiha, tools that work for you.